Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cutemon from Digimon Fusion. If you must know who cutemon is, he's one of Mikey's protagonists in Digimon Fusion. You see, his parents were taken away by the Bagra army, but he was cared for by Darulamon, and has been... Anyways, during the show, he has a special attack called Healing Glow and Supersonic Wave. Anyways, that's basically about him. When you start drawing him, you must start with his eye, then the headphone, then draw one ear and draw the other. His ears are really, really long. The Euro board. Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw his head. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his head here. There you go. There's his head. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his scarf. Okay, make sure his scarf is really long and tidy. And make sure to add some lines here. Next up, you just gotta draw his arm. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his legs here. If you must know, his legs are really small and thin. Anywhere is battle boots. Here. And there you go. That's how you draw a cutemon. Oh, and by the way, during the end of Season 1, cutemon got to see his parents again. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.